Hello, good evening, everyone. How are you? Okay, 35650178. Okay, let me know the stocks code, stock name instead of the stocks code lah. Okay, because I can't remember all the 4D number. Okay, so hello, good evening. Hello, Kentan, 晚上好. Okay, comment on GFM, Usma, RGB, SP Satya from the Patrick Ong, okay, Kim Lin, okay, good evening, okay, Wong, how are you? Okay, review Rex Industry, potential opportunity lah. Okay, Dpharma, okay, Mflex, Artams, okay, MRCB, okay, Suraya Efficient, okay, Gabungan, Public Bank, MKLand, MRCB, Usma, just take profit yesterday and issue today. Oh yeah, I just saw today, yeah, they spike up with good volumes. Okay, seems like the trend might continue to spike up. Okay, no PM holdings, can EP again or not? Okay. Economy IJM sense of okay. So So please help me to click like, okay? Click like and share this video so that we can get more viewers to join in our live session. Okay, so yeah, Seafood, they do have the interactive live chat. For those who are interested with the live chat, you may subscribe to their services. Okay, they are available at the iOS and the Google Play Store. Okay, so today content, let's warm up first. Okay, let's warm up with the market outlook, which include the US market, oil, gold, cryptocurrency, and FBM KLCI. Follow with the stocks Q&A. Okay, let me know the stocks you want me to review. Okay, let me know the stock's name instead of the stock code. Okay, because I can't remember all the 4D number lah. Okay, so and your plan. Okay, instead of just review, maybe you let me know your intention. Maybe you are looking for maybe you are looking for the next support, net resistance, or you already EP. Okay, so that I can give a better advice. Okay. So disclaimer: all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation, all are just for education purposes. Okay, so let's go for the stocks. For the market outlook first. Okay, let's warm up first. Okay, so far for Dow Jones, they these few days lah. Okay, they going nowhere. Okay, but so far supported by the 20 MA. Seems like they still want to go up lah. Okay, on the other hand, S&P, we can see on Monday they shoot up and recover back above 20 MA. Okay, Tuesday and today still neutral, nothing much. Seems like they are still okay, no longer that bearish, okay, because of the Monday. Okay, and also the Nasdaq as well. We can see the Monday they shoot up, they recover back above 16.6K and also stay above 20 MA. Seems like the US market macam go back to the bullish trend lah. Okay, and the next one is the oil price. Okay, oil price so far is still in the range lah. Okay, pending for them to break above $74. Once they can go up above $70, we are seeing some bullishness on the oil price. And the gold. Okay, gold so far I see a bit weakening. Okay, as they already break below 2050, break below 20 MA. I think they might test 2000. Okay, so gold and the cryptocurrency. Okay, so far Bitcoin Monday also follow lah. Okay, spike up. Tuesday hit, okay, or near 48,000 and currently retracing. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, tomorrow morning 6 a.m. is the time to announce whether they want to approve the ETF or not lah. Okay, once or before, I think around that time market would be volatile. So if you buy spot, I think it's no problem lah. But if you trade the futures, maybe you need to take care lah. Okay, they might have a wild swing to swing off your position lah. Okay, maybe you long or short, maybe might also kena. Okay, for Ethereum, so far so good. Okay, yesterday break above 2003, and they have okay some resistance at 2004. They tested multiple times lah. So hopefully by tomorrow they can close above 2004. Only will have more upside. Otherwise, they may kena smash down to go back to 2121. And lastly, is our FBMK LCI. As I mentioned, okay, yesterday in my YouTube, I do mention that they already rally up. Okay, up to 4 to 5 trading days. And yesterday, okay, we can see is a shooting star at 1,005. Okay, this is very tune lah. Okay, ngam ngam 1,005 rejection, and today with a sell down. Okay, some profit taking. So based on the Fibonacci support, first support is a 1,487. Today closing price already break down. So for me, my estimation is about 1,482 lah. Okay, even they retrace down to 1,482 or even 1,477, still acceptable. Okay, still acceptable. But if they go below 1,477, I think memang potong steam already. They are most likely to go back down to 1,464. Okay, maybe they will take more time to go back. Okay, if they can rebound from either one of these level, okay, the chances of breaking up above 1,500 is higher. But if they go below, I think the chances is lower already, and they need to sideway longer. Okay, maybe to accumulate more power, only can test again. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so many Okay, 32. Oh, today respond not that bad. Okay, so but yeah, I still want to say, please help me to click like and also share this video. And also, all our sharing is just for education purposes. Okay, not a buy or sell recommendation. Okay, so yeah, please help me to click like and share. And if you yet to join my Telegram, you may screenshot it now. Okay, later after the live session, you can join it lah. Okay, on and off, I will give some market outlooks. Okay, so yeah, let's see our stocks Q&A. 晚上好 okay, first one GFM, Girlfriend Malaysia. Sorry, Girlfriend Malaysia. Girlfriend Malaysia Services. Okay, so far so good lah. Okay, today closing with volume as well. Okay, so far if we close the line, you can see so far Girlfriend Malaysia is still supported by 20 MA. Okay, the red line. Okay, and also today break up with volumes. Oh, okay, if you have position in these counters, I think it's still all right. Okay, so let me see any next resistance. Okay, this is a spike up 2021. Girlfriend angry this time. They spike up, then they smash down. So let's see their next resistance. Okay, for me, well, ultimately is about 450 lah. Okay, so they need to break through 330. Okay, once they can clear 330, we can see until 450 possible. Okay, but you can see back in 2021, they also have a big spike and big drop. Okay, so their ultimate target is about 450, but you can see so far they go up is quite smooth lah. So will take more time. Okay, if you just want to set a trading stop, probably we can use a 20 MA as our trading stop. So long the price above 20 MA should be okay. So let me delete the line at the bottom. So at the moment, I see the support is about 270. So long above 270 should be okay. The only thing you need to take note is here, 295, right? Yeah, they have some strong rejection back in last year, December. Okay, 12th of December, they hit 295 and rejected down. Okay, today also hit this level, but I think it's still all right lah. Okay, probably we put an immediate support around here, 285. Stay above, I think the momentum should be quite strong. Okay, then 30 cents, then only 330. Okay, if they can clear 330, we only see the 450 lah. I think it should be few months later story lah. Okay, 30 cents and 330 was a resistance. Okay, back here. Okay, that's why we need to take note on these two levels first. And 295, I think not so important lah. So yeah, so long they are above 270, short-term momentum should be okay for the Girlfriend Malaysia. Okay, USMA. Okay, USMA, as we can see, this downtrend channel, right? So on the Friday, okay, 5th of January, market breakthrough the downtrend channel resistance. Then yesterday, okay, Tuesday, they retest the support 790, 780. Okay, even though the candle looks quite ugly, right? You can see yesterday candle, wow, quite ugly, right? But you can see the volume is extremely low. Okay, probably one of our members' ticket is inside lah. Okay, so we can see when they push up, okay, the volume is diminishing, and yesterday also with a profit taking or the sell down lah. But the volume I think is quite low. Okay, so not so important. So if for me, I will still see 780 must hold lah. Okay, so far supported, and today push up with high volumes. Okay, and they also break up above this September resistance, which is 840, 860. So resistance turn support. So you can use 860, 840 as your S1, S2. But for me, I will put 840 as my support lah. As 860 is quite near lah. Today closing 870. So long they are above 840, I would say the momentum should be okay. Okay, with this volume, if you want put some buffer, maybe I can tahan until 825 lah. Okay. Also it is also is in the middle of this candle. If the price below 825, I think most likely quite bottom steam. Okay, but if they can stay above 825 should be good. Okay, they also near here 2021 resistance. 2021 extreme level is somewhere around 895. Okay, and today closing price 870 lah. So I think yeah, they do have chance to hit this level and they need to clear lah. Okay, once they can clear 895, we only see next level, psychology level, 1 ringgit. Okay, so far the momentum all yeah, still good lah, still good. Okay, so long they are above 825, I think the momentum all should be all right. Okay, how about red, green, blue? Okay, RGB. Okay, RGB, Monday, right? We do review these counters. Okay, they do have a good volume spike up, but Tuesday a bit profit taking. Okay, today they just also a small profit taking lah. Volume you can see quite low. So now what we need to do is wait for them to retest support. Okay, I would say our support is 290. Okay, if they retest and get supported, I think it's still okay. But if they go below 270, sorry lah, no game, not nice already. Okay, so if they can just struggle or wandering around 290 285 like that, I think it's still acceptable. But if they go below 270, also indicate that they break down the major support and break below the 200 MAs, no longer good looking if below 270. Okay, this is a RGB. Okay, next one. Next, let me see. Okay, SP Satya. Oh, today so early, so many people. Market quite bullish. Okay, SP Satya, unfortunately, they only ready out for 3 days and unable to go through 955. Especially, you can see Monday they get rejected, and Tuesday with an ugly long bearish candle break below 870. So this level also break down already. Today more on neutral. Okay, nothing much. Okay, and momentum wise, I think it's still okay. Just that when they break below 870, I would see the momentum quite bottom steam lah. Okay, if the price continue to sell down, you take note on 810. Okay, two-way. Okay, either they recover back above 870, you only follow up. Okay, the best is with volumes lah. Then okay, we can continue. But if they continue to sell down, then we see this level. This is a 2050 MA support. Okay, if they can get supported, maybe you only try here low. Okay, but if they come until 810, most likely not so strong already. Okay, I hope that we can see a confirmation that they can recover back above 870. Okay, recover back above 870 should be okay. Then they might have another test 940, 955. Okay, and yeah, next one is Rex Industry. Let's see, can find these counters. Rex Industry 130. No wonder lah. Penny counters for potential opportunity. Okay, you like penny counters, you need to know their risk lah. Okay, so let me see. Downtrend, these counters is downtrend since 2018. Okay, on and off, they do have some small project lah. Okay, a small project like small pump lah, 180 to 260 like that. Okay, oh, here got split. Oh. No wonder become so cheap lah. Okay, so doesn't matter. Most importantly is recently, okay, they do have more trading activities. Okay, momentum wise, I think it's still fine. So here maybe we can put about 120 as the support. Okay, if you are interested, I will set the last defense is at 115. Okay, if the price closing price below 115, most likely you need to skip these counters. Okay, the structure is fair already. Okay, at the moment, what I think lah. Okay, I think they might just sideways within 130 to 140. Okay, probably they might go to test a 125 or 120, but should be rare lah. Okay, because penny stocks, the characteristic most likely they will sideways within here for a couple of weeks or months. Okay, then pending for a breakout above 140. If you are interested, okay, when you buy, you need to expect the holding period. Okay, probably up to few months also possible. Okay, as long as they don't break below 115, the structure should be still okay. Okay, but you also need to know that your risk. Okay, if you EP at 130 and your cut loss is below 115, which is you need to face about 15% of the losses lah. Okay, so next one is the D Pharma. Okay, oh, yeah. Okay, correct. Okay, I thought another pharma. Okay, D Pharma recently bounced up, but they are unable to go through 133. If we see here, actually Monday they already show the uh struggle lah. Okay, you can see they hit 133, press down. Okay, yesterday another attempt lah. They tried to close above 200 MAs, but today also show a confirmation that they really tried their best already. Okay, unable to go through 133 and kena rejected down. Okay, and you can see today volumes also quite high. Okay, selling pressure is there. So seems like D Pharma currently they are at the resistance. Okay, until one day they can close above 133, then we only can see more upside. Otherwise, this is a resistance. They might gonna smash down to 124 or even lower. Okay, so at the moment, for me, they already rebounded so much and they hit resistance, they might go back to the support. Okay, probably somewhere around 124 level lah. Okay, how about NFlex? NFlex should be no longer nothing much already. Ever since they break below 20 cents, I would say this counters nothing much already. Okay, the only thing if we zoom in, we can see recently they do build up with some volumes. Okay, let me delete all the lines. Okay, new year, new drawing. Okay, MFlex, they are at the moment now, okay? At least we can see from December until now, they are just trading within the range of 165 to 180. Okay, 180 is a hard resistance and also is a 200 MAs. They need to break through, only other story. Otherwise, they are just going sideways lah. Okay, for me it's weak because the price is below 200 MAs. And currently, okay, recently also they test again. Okay, they attempt to break out above 200 MAs, but macam fail lah. Okay, not so successful. So I would say these counters probably okay will go sideways until one day they can break through 180. We only can see some story lah. Okay. Okay, that bond that bond more on sideways. Nothing much. Okay, this counters is still above 200 MAs. Lucky thing, but they are below 20, 50, 100 MAs. Okay, short term a bit weak. Okay, MACD acceptable. Okay, if we zoom out these counters, okay, these few years they are like going nowhere lah. Okay, 21. Okay, even here 23 they have a small pump. Also back to square. Okay, at the moment you can see from August until now, this counter is just going sideways. Okay, so most importantly 395. Okay, as long as the price above 395, still okay. Okay, just boring only, sideways only lah. So if they break below 395, most likely not nice already lah. Okay, so for them to have more upside, maybe they need to break through 450. Okay, resistant. Even they can go through 450, they also need to face another resistance at 480. Okay, this is a TED bond. Okay, EP for ATA. 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 Okay, I think it's okay. So ATA, they do have a spike out on 2nd of January. Volume wise, okay lah. Okay lah. Volume another spike out until 4th of January. And these few days, just neutral volumes a bit lower now. Okay, so for me, it's still all right. Okay, these counters, I would say their immediate support would be somewhere around 315. Okay, 315. So long the price above 315, I think it's still okay for the uh trend. Okay, but if they go below 315, most likely they will continue sideways and they might go back to test a 30 cents level. So probably you can KIV on the 315 level. MRCB. MRCB hit resistance. Okay, 50 cents unable to go through. Okay, here tested one, two, third time nearby lah, and this time fourth time already. Okay, confirm unable to go through. Some more with high volumes. So at the moment, I think they are retesting the support. Okay, at the moment, I would say here resistance turn support 460. Okay, so if you are interested, wait for them to retest somewhere around 460, then you KIV lah. Okay, 3565。3565. Okay, let me know the stocks name lah, so I easier to find the stocks. WCE. Okay. WCE Holding. Okay. Some profit taking. Yesterday break below 107. Today recover back. Okay. Seems like the bulls still want to continue to rally. Okay. They just come here to test the support 104 and bounce up. So take note on 104 and 1 ringgit. Okay, for me, they are still in the uptrending lah. Okay, just they might face some correction. Okay, just today got some volumes come in, so for me it's still okay lah. These counters. Okay, trend wise is still okay. So for me, if one day lah they go below 960, I maybe only will say not okay lah. Okay, in between they might go back to test 104 or 1 ringgit level. So I think it's still because they rally up so much already. Some healthy retracement is needed lah. Okay, 01, 0178. Sedanai. Hit resistant. Okay. I think this mentioned also this level also mentioned before lah 250. Okay, many times already unable to go through. So yesterday also hit again high volume unable to go through 250. Today neutral, nothing much. Okay, so I expect hit resistance unable to go through, they might go back to support somewhere around 220, 210. Okay, take note on this support. Surya still in the uptrending mode. Okay, this is in liquid counters lah. Okay, for me, I will skip these counters. But if you still interested, I think it's still alright. Okay, 5th and Friday and Monday, they do pump out with volumes. Okay, Tuesday, Wednesday, sell down with low volumes. So for me, it's still alright. So maybe these counters, I will put important level at 225. Okay, so long the price stay above 225, I think it's still acceptable. But if they break below, memang not so good lah. Okay, efficient. Wow. Okay, Monday hit 250, unable to go through. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, I do mention before lah, 250 is a resistance. Okay, because they tested so many times since 2019. Okay, even here also tested. But if we look back on these 4 years, okay, 2020 July, what 2021, 2022, 2023, they also keep tested 240, 250, unable to go through. Okay, this time the same as well. Okay, we can see on Monday they also rejected with a high volumes. Tuesday as well. Today neutral, nothing much. So I think most likely they might just go sideways lah. Okay, so long they are above 20 cents, you are still watchable lah. Okay, just they might just go sideways lah. Just boring. Okay, but go below 20 cents, memang no good already. Stay above, still okay. Maybe you can say they are sideways loh. Gabungan. Okay, hold on. Okay. Gabungan still unable to break through 370. Okay, 370. If we zoom in, okay, you can see this is a gap. Okay, back in October 16. Then, okay, they have a spiral on 3rd of January. But you can see they tested multiple times. 370, unable to go through. Okay, macam a bit struggle, they might come back down to test the support, probably 345 level. Okay, unless tomorrow they can break through 370 lah, then you only can see until 390. But you take note, back in September, right? They also tested here multiple times, then they sell down. Okay, this time we don't know lah. Okay, but what we can see, these few days, even though market so bullish, they still macam struggle to go through 370. Especially 4th of January, you can see they rejected with high volumes. Okay, seems like somebody don't want to let the price go through 370 lah. So they throw the volumes, okay, throw the tickets down. Okay, Bobby Bang. Oh, okay, break 436 already. Okay, but these counters depends on your intention. Okay, if you are holding for long to mid term, should be still okay as the price is still below 2050 MA lah. Okay, you can see. Yeah, most importantly, 422 cannot break. Break down 422, memang something wrong. Okay, so we go through here. Okay, this counter is still in a uptrending trend. Okay, so long they are above, I would say 422 is a more confirmed level lah. Okay, stay above 422 should be okay. In between, they will have a up down things lah. Okay, just like here, what you can see here. Sorry, they also got a sell down but they do supported by the 50 MA continuous buy out. So based on here, probably they might retest a 50 MA, then maybe will continue go up lah. Okay, but if they break below 50 MA and break below 422, maybe we need to take note already. Okay, maybe on and off it, they were like something like this lah. Okay, some fake breakdown, then continue rally. Okay, but for me, what I see here is mid to long term should be still all right. Okay, short term a bit bearish due to today market lah. You can see KLCI also sell down already. Bobby Bank also one of them, right? So they need to respect lah. Okay, follow lah. Sell down together. Okay, MK Land. So far okay. Just still supported by 225. So long they are above 225, I think overall is still all right. Okay, and MRCB cover already, so we go for okay. Usma also cover already. Patrick, okay. So sorry to hear that. Okay, PM Holding. PM Holding, okay, Tuesday and Aspire. I think Monday we do review, right? So if not mistaken, my resistance is 125 lah. Okay, but today comes with the okay. Yesterday is still alright. Okay, they open gap out, continue spike up, but today more on profit taking. Okay, let me see anything we can take note. When was that? 2020 October. Okay, if I put a level here. Soon or not? Let me see. Oh, yo, didn't hit deal. Okay, and if lower down 165, no, here 170. Okay, so they hit this level lah. Okay, what I see is they might come back down to test 125 110, 125 115, or even fill the gap, which is 105. Okay, so today's you can see yesterday already pumped out with high volumes, right? Today higher volume to sell down. Okay, so for me, some profit taking activities lah. So maybe they will smash down further to wash down the weak holders lah. So I expect 105 lah. Okay, but in between, if you want to see, you can see 125 and 115. Okay, S1, S2. Okay, stronger one, I would say somewhere around 105. Okay, PM can EP again. Sell too early already. Okay, wait lower lah. Okay, not now. Wait for them to smash down, then and they can form a support. You only EP. Okay, then will be better. And how about the Ncom? Not so strong. Okay, as they already break below 20, 50, 100 MAs. At the moment, you only can put hope at the 200 MAs. Okay. The trend is white. For me, it's weak lah. Okay, let me see. Okay, the trend is weak. If they break below 108, then not so good lah. Okay. For me, it looks like a dinosaur. Okay, nothing. Okay, so these counters, if they stay above 108, is still okay. Maybe we'll have some bounce to test a 50 or 20 MA lah. But if they break below 108, I think not so good. Okay, just like here lah. Once they break down, they will go back to 96 or 1 ringgit level. Okay, momentum point of view is more favor to the bear lah. So we can see a strong sell on Monday and today and yesterday, even though they pull up, you can see the volume is extremely low. So for me, macam not much buyer willing to come in lah. Okay, IGM also follow with everyone now. Okay, they already spy out for 3 days. Yesterday, today also more on the profit taking. So let me see. Okay, I'm not sure what you want about these counters. Okay, maybe I put here 198. Okay, 198 was the 2019 peak. Want to hear you say hood cannot. Later I kena sue. Okay, hold on. Okay, so what we can see, profit taking day 1, day 2, and their next support would be somewhere around 2 ringgit and 198. Okay, take note on this level. Let me try if we use the Fibonacci. Already break down. So I need to draw lower lah. Okay, based on Fibonacci, if we base on these 3 days spike out, actually today already break below 618. So their next support 0.5 would be somewhere around 203 lah. So if we use a full length, is about 204. So for me, not so convinced me lah. But yeah, maybe no harm to take a reference 203. But for me, I more prefer if they can test 198 level. Okay, this is IJM. Spike out so much already lah, overbought already. Need to have some retracement. Okay, Sensoft. Sensoft is a 260, is a resistant, unable to go through. Okay, so spike out on 3rd of January, but 4th of January already rejected down. Okay, at the moment they are retesting the support 240. Maybe I will put 230, 240 lah as our support. And 20 MA is here, 225. Nothing much. Okay, so most importantly, these counters cannot go below 230. Okay, below 230 memang no good already. Okay, I am pretty new. Any good stocks for beginners to start study before I start spending bigger capital? Okay, in my opinion, for the new user, new investor, okay, better focus on the so-called blue chips or good fundamental counters first lah. Okay, because like you can see 20 cents, 10 cent, 50-cent counters are most likely is goreng counters. So maybe you focus on those counters that you are more familiar with. Okay, example, okay, maybe you are more familiar with Genting, Massis, or maybe Tenaga, okay, Tenaga, something like that. Okay, start with them first. Okay, then yeah, while you learning, then you only see or do paper trade also can. Okay, yeah, right on the paper you pretend you buy these counters and where's your stop loss. Okay, do more practice on paper trade. Then you only start with the real money lah. Okay, if you still want to keep invested, maybe you can try with blue chips first lah. Okay, maybe the big cap all is safer for you lor. Okay, don't go into the hantu counters like 10 cent, 20 cent counters most likely will get burned. Okay, MRCV we cover already. Comment of EPMB. EPMB. Yeah, from our live session, probably you will find some case studies. But I don't want you to go in to the market with your real money lah. Okay, you can use a paper trade. Maybe you can write down. You assume you got a maybe you got a 50K capital. How much you want to allocate for these counters? Okay, use paper trade first. Okay, until certain of time you more comfortable. You only try with a real money. Okay, EPMB so far they tested 200 MA and still above 200 MAs. Okay, I didn't see anything yet. So take note on 795 and the next support is a 770. Okay, if below 770, memang no good already. But in my opinion, I not so like these counters. As you can see, they are still in the downtrending. Okay, this counter is still in a downtrending, right? So not so interested lah. Okay, so Li Feng, Merced, Pestec. Oh, Pestec today a bit potong steam juga. Okay, this one still going up lah. Okay, so when you see they are bullish, okay, they still going up. No rest at all. No rest at all. Okay, this one, if we base on here, next level should be about, let me see, Zun Bo Zun. Okay, 530. Okay, this counter is still in the uptrending. I haven't seen any sell down yet. But anytime when they have a big sell, will be fast and furious. But so far, yet to happen. So far even though on 19th of December they have attempt to sell down, but they do get supported by the 20 MA. So probably at the moment we can see the safety line, okay, 420. Okay, stay above is still okay. Go below, memang no good already. And next resistance, maybe we will see 50 cents and 530 for the Lee form. Okay, Merced, Mercury. This one also know how to draw chart one. These counters, okay, still going up. Okay, let's see. If we can use here to do a projection is about 910. Okay, 770 is the today closing price. Okay, 910 would be my next target. But so far they still don't have any rest. Okay, quite overbought. And today closing is like a neutral lah. For me, it's like indecisive a bit, or you can say they are like a hanging man. Okay, if tomorrow with a bearish candle, then not so good lah. Okay, especially break below 685, memang no good. But stay above is still okay. They could be like this. Okay, next day bullish candle, then market continues spike up. So maybe we can use today's low as a reference price, 730. Okay, stay above is still okay. Go below, then we need to take note what we need to review again. 725 888 sorry 685. Okay, S1 S2. Take note on this. And yeah, so far I haven't seen any strong signal telling us to get out lah. Okay, so still alright. So the only thing is I can put two lines to alerts only loh. Okay, 725 and 8685. Sorry. Okay, how about Pestec? Okay, Pestec still sideways. Okay, Pestec. Okay, Pestec okay, they do have a good volume spike out on 29th of December. After that, they go sideways lah. Today, smashed down a little bit. So for this case, take note on 30 cents. Okay, so long they are above 30 cents, I think it's still acceptable. But if they go below 30 cents, maybe it's a trap lah. Okay, they may go back to 280 level. Okay, review Kobe 135. Cut loss below 130. Kobe. Okay. Can. Okay. If the closing price, I more prefer we wait somewhere. Maybe wait until 450 lah. Okay, 450 p.m. Or 4:30 p.m. onwards. You only see the closing price. If the closing price below 130, then no good lah. Okay, most likely they might continue sell down. But if they can smash down and maybe by end of day they push out a bit, then it's still alright. Just like this. Okay, so yeah, follow our stop loss lah. Below 130, I think they might give up to support at this level already. Okay, review Capital A, AX, and Pharma. Capital A. Wow. Oh, double A, memang double A. Okay, these counters actually on Monday already got a signal because they attempt to break above 860, but fail. Okay, not really able to break above the 200 MAs, and all this while you can see they got rejected whenever they try to break through 860, right? So yesterday already with a strong sell, break 835, break 825, and today break 80 cents. Okay, closing price 790. So based on what I see, capital A still got room to go down. Probably next level is about 730. Okay, unless by tomorrow they can recover back minimum 80 cents, but best if the price can recover back above 825. Only got game. Otherwise, we see lower lah, probably 730 already. Okay, Air Asia X. Okay, Air Asia X as well. Monday also got a shooting star, a light candle here, unable to break through 2 ringgit. Okay, Tuesday open gap up but close low. Today break down 192. So for AAX, okay, their last defense is around here 184. If tomorrow also break down, then we will see more sell down on the airlines. Okay, and also Pharma. Pharma Niagara. Okay, Pharma Niagara high volume spike out on 4th of January. Then 5th of January, neutral. Then these few days sell down, but the volume is low. So for these counters, take note on the 370. Okay, previous support. Okay, stay above is still alright. Okay, maybe they just want to wash down only lah. But go below 370, no good already. Maybe they will go back down to 325 level. Okay, my EG. My EG 785 is still supported. Okay, as I mentioned before, they are more into sideways. Okay, at the moment, 785 is their 200 MAs lah. Okay, it's their 200 MAs. If they break down, go to 770 is still okay. But if the closing price is below 770, then no good already. Okay, just that you can see the movement since August until now, it's quite boring like from 770 to 840, go down, go up. Okay, like maybe others counters are like uh others counters like maybe property or what maybe they perform better than this one. Okay, so Wellcore support set resistance. Wellcore so far they bounced from 155. Yesterday also pummel with volume. So seems like they want to continue to bullish. Just that the MACD show a little bit divergence lah. Okay, so most importantly, probably support we can put 160. No, I put here. Okay, 50 MA as my support, somewhere around 161. Okay, and the resistance we can use back previous high 175. Okay, strong one for me is 150 lah. So far they didn't come back to revisit. Okay, recently bounced from 155. Okay, so history. Okay, they may happen just like here. Retest 50 MA. Continue rally. Okay, this time they recover back above from the 50 MA. Maybe, or even breakthrough. Don't know. Okay, so long they don't U-turn and go back below 160, maybe we put 160 is easier to remember. Okay, don't U-turn go below 160, I think it's still okay. But if they go below 160, I think the momentum not so strong lah. Okay, KGB and Hub Sing. KGB is still bullish, is still going up. Okay, ever since Monday spike up, Tuesday and today neutral, nothing much. Okay, EP for KGB. Cannot EP yet lah. Okay, they are too bullish already. At the moment, they are at the penthouse. If we zoom out, you can see the chart from 2009 until now, they are at the all-time high already. Okay, currently they are at the penthouse. Wait for them to at least some correction down. Probably somewhere around 220, 215 only KIV. Okay, how about the Hub Sing Biscuit, right? Okay, Hub Sing Biscuit recently. Okay, also Tuesday they break down last few day last Tuesday lah. But they are able to recover back above 765. Okay, so far you can see since November until now, they are more into a sideways zone. So for me, maybe I put a level around 785. Okay, 785 would be my support. And I think they might just go sideways too. So should be other chance lah here. Okay, Hub Sing Index confirm would drop below 16K. No confirm, we need a confirmation. Okay, at the moment, they are like for me yesterday actually they break below 16.2k. So based on this breakdown, I think they do have a potential to break below 16k. Okay, but no confirm yet. Okay, for me it's not so strong lah. Unless by tonight they can recover back above 16.2k. Only consider safe. Okay, if they keep going up, still unable to break through then the chances of breaking down below 16k is there. Okay, so far this country sudah jialat lah. Every bounce is a further sell down. So maybe Malaysia is better. Okay, US stock Alphabet AAPL. Alphabet. Okay, Alphabet so far so good lah. Okay, still okay. Recently recovered back. Okay, for me, I assume just a review for you only lah. Huh? If we look back previous resistance, this is the resistance back in 22 March, which is somewhere around 143.5. Okay, so far I think they are still in an uptrend now, still okay lah. Okay. Okay, Apple kena a bit gap down in 2nd of January, but they are still above 200 MAs. Okay, unfortunately they didn't hit $200. Okay, for this slightly weak. Okay, if we compare with the Google, Apple is slightly weak, but they are still above 200 MAs. So we take note on 180, okay, which is a 200 MAs. If they break down, then not so strong lah. They might go back to 170. Okay, even they can pull up, they also need to fill the gap. Okay, probably I use this line. Okay, 192 to 187. Okay, this is a gap resistant, and also ngam is a 50 and 20 MA. Okay, 187, 192 is a SR R1 R2. Okay, Nike let me see I can find or not. Should be this one Oh, Nike tak berapa boleh below 200 MAs already, and they do have a gap down on 22nd of the December. So in my opinion, Nike not so strong. You can see here is a resistance, right? So they come back to this resistance, then they smash down. Okay, previously then when they visit here, they go back to here. So this time the chances of going back here is there. So let's zoom in and see here they do have a big gap. Okay, if we see if they wanted to fill the gap probably they might come back down to somewhere within 95 to 89. So I assume $90 is a better level to KIV lah. Okay, this is Nike. And how about MyTech? 看一下看了 Okay, MyTech at resistance lah. Okay, why here? Oh, okay. Here, what happened? 2020 December, 2021 February, March, April. Strong resistance. Okay, was a support, become resistant. So if we zoom out, we can see MyTech, I do mention before, they are already up for so many percent now. Okay, if we count from 0.055 until recent high, they already up for 300%. Okay, for Bursa counters can up so much, I think it's a very good performance already. So if you, I don't know, you still want to expect they can go up how much? Okay, maybe 320 level lah. Okay, maybe you see until here. Okay, I don't know, you still want to take the risk until here or not lah. Okay, if you're already in, yeah, of course you can set a trading stop. If you yet to go in, for me, no lah. Okay, a big no. Okay, at the moment we can see these few days they struggle at 220, 235. So I expect they will have some retracement. Okay, probably they may come back down to fill the gap somewhere around 190 or 175. Okay, this is what I expect lah. Okay, because here got the small gap. So if they are unable to break through 235, probably they might retrace down. Okay, for me it's not so strong already lah, if go below. And be careful sikit lah. A lot of people goreng people inside. Okay, so how about review EP for revenue? You can see high volume spike out on 3rd of January. Okay, and second day, 4th of January, still unable to break through. Okay, 200 MAs, 250, 255, macam they keep hit, unable to go through. So these few trading days, neutral, nothing much. If you are interested, okay, I would see somewhere around 215. Okay, 215 with my cut loss maybe below 20 cents lah. Okay, below 20 cents memang very ugly already. Okay, for me, I will stay away first lah. Okay, until maybe can see a confirmation of breakthrough 255 only KIV. Okay, HSI we cover already. For me is very disappointing. Okay, even though I got try some position here lah, but oh, memang potong steam lah. I heard tomorrow is a CPI day lah, so see any recovery to stay above 16.2K or not. Okay, otherwise they may break below 16K. Okay, if they tested multiple times are unable to go through, then most likely the chances of breaking down below 16K is there. Maiden. Sorry. Okay, pump out 1, 2, 3. Okay, they already pump out 3 days with high volumes, but yesterday and today is some profit taking days. Okay, but what we can notice is today when they sell down, the volume also extremely low. So for me, it's still all right. So they might visit somewhere around 114. Okay, so just like here lah, you can see they pump out, then they wash down. So this time they also pump out. Maybe they also have a big range to go to swing around lah. Okay, so long they are above 106, I think it's still okay lah. These counters. Take note on the immediate support 114. But if they go below 116, I think also not so nice lah. Okay, a confirmation is 106 lah. If one day they close below 106, confirm no good already lah. Okay, MTech Okay, MTech so far still okay. Pump out 2 days. Okay, these few days just some retracement volume also getting lesser when they retrace. So for me, it's still acceptable. Okay, since they break out 445, 435. Okay, so this two level is an important level. So long the closing price is above 445, 435 should be all right. Okay, and the next resistance 50 cents, 525 and 560. Okay, these counters you can see the characteristic are very slow. Okay, very slow. Okay, EP for Shang. Shang is, let me see, Shang still acceptable. Okay, for me, I would see immediate support 222, 225. Okay, with my cut loss if they go below 215. Okay, this is Shang. Okay, Pharma Niaga we covered already. So yeah, I afraid we don't have enough time lah. So later you can scroll back lah for the FFB. So sorry, for the Pharma Niaga. So we only cover FFB. Okay, so far they are quite good for the FFB. Ever since they break above 200 MAs, they just steadily stay above 130. Okay, this is what I like the most. Okay, the MACD, okay, boleh tahan. Okay, just that they are quite slow lah. Okay, so long the closing price is above 130, I think this counter is still all right. Okay, just that the movement is boring lah. It's like from 130, 138 like that. Okay, but still okay. Okay, EMCC. Wow, okay, hit 460 already. Okay, EMCC previously, when I review, I do mention so long the price don't close below 425 should be okay. And the resistance I have given 440 and previous resistance 460. So today they already hit lah, someone with high volumes. So I assume some profit taking around this zone. Okay, 460 level lah. Okay, Binasa lah. Let me see. I'm not sure is Binacom or not. Should be Binacom. Okay, for Binacom, previously back in September, they do have a pump and dump. So recently they recover back above 200 MAs. Today also pump out with volumes. Okay, just that they hit 100 MA lah, 325. Okay, when they retest 290 and get supported, it's still okay. So long the closing price don't go below 290, should be all right. Carlsberg. Okay, Carlsberg is still below 200 mAh. Okay, even they bounce up, they still unable to go through 19.6 lah. Okay, so this counter is still in downtrending. Okay, I'm not sure whether they will do a Chinese New Year rally or not. Should be no lah. Okay, for these counters, most likely take note on $18.8 ringgit. Sorry, maybe I put 19 ringgit lah. Okay, so long they are above 19 ringgit, should be okay. Okay, for the potential bottoming, maybe yeah, you're looking for this. Okay, but if they break below 19 ringgit, maybe not so strong. They may go to 18 ringgit. Okay, looking EP for Spritzer. Spritzer. Okay, Spritzer hit resistance already at 220. So at the moment, they might retrace back to 2 ringgit or 205. So for me, I would more with yesterday's strong sell, I would be more comfortable if I can get somewhere around 2 ringgit level lah. Okay, for me is a bit high. Okay, I prefer wait for them to stabilize and go sideways somewhere around 2 ringgit. Okay, then my cut loss is below 194. Okay, next is the BC Mall. Penny counters, EP 0.02. Okay, since you EP already, okay, so you buy a ticket already, a movie ticket already, so just watch the show only lah. Okay, you can see BC Mall, since 2022, they've been just sideways only lah. Okay, recently they do have some volume spike up lah. Okay, but doesn't mean anything until they can break above 0.03. Okay, but these counters are facing a strong sell previously. Okay, pending for a breakout. So at the moment, yeah, momentum all is still with them, still okay. Just pending for the breakout lah. Okay, how about the beta? Beta new counters 22. Okay, recently got volumes. Yesterday, today also got volume spike out, and they already break through 430. Okay, EP 410 lah. So should be okay, but also take note on the 200 MAs. Okay, 445. Okay, today they consider they break through 425 already lah. So take note on the 200 MAs, 445. If they can go through, I maybe will put somewhere around 460. Okay, if they can break through 460, so would be your R1, R2. Maximum I see 50 cents. Okay, depends on the sentiment. For me, here is a place for you to at least protect some. Okay, looking EP for SDS. Okay, still in the uptrending. At the moment, they're at the support 715. Okay, as you can see, 715 was the resistance back in May and July 23. Okay, currently breakout and stay above and also above the 20 MA. So you can take note on 715. Okay, trend wise, okay lah, boleh tahan. Okay, so long above 660, I think it's still okay. Okay, they are still following the 20 MA jalan. Okay, Banerjee still okay. Okay, although the chart they draw is quite ugly, but oh, I'm not sure whether the chart is very volatile in liquid. Okay, so they break through 905. Okay, right. Okay, this one attempt breakout fail. Then this one breakout successfully. So 2020 resistance somewhere around 103. Maybe I round out lah. 1 ringgit take note quite near only. If go to extreme is about 103 lah. Okay, this is the 2020 December and 2021 February resistance at 103. Okay, based on recent momentum, I think 1 ringgit 103 should be okay, should be at a chance for you to get up a bit. Okay, HLFG, downtrend. You see if you just see here, this counter is still in a downtrending mode. Your EP is 1630, small profit. Okay, so but if you see the trend, since when? 2022 June. Okay, this counter has been on the downtrend. So if speaking about you, if you want to just trade a bottom fishing, I think it's valid. Okay, if we just put a line here, you can see what happened here. Okay, they hit here, they hit here. Okay, they hit here, they hit here. Okay, so for me, yeah, maybe they hit here. Here maybe got chance lah. Okay, somewhere around 17 plus. So yeah, also in conjunction with the 200 MAs. So I put a more conservative level is somewhere around 17.4. Okay, 17.4. So yeah, it's still okay. For the bottom fishing or the rebound trade, I think they do have some chance. Okay, so long the price don't go below 16 ringgit. Okay, if go below 16 ringgit, then they will have a strong sell. Okay, so at the moment, maybe we do a counter trend trade. Okay, so next one is okay, Ramzo done good pullback. May review. Okay, they do have a good volumes pump out on 4th of January, but on the 5th of January, they might face some rejection. Okay, and today they break below 40 cents, but when they break down, you can see the volume is low. So I assume they might test lower, probably to somewhere around 385. 385. So this one a bit tricky. They have pump out with volume, but here also with a sell. You can see the volumes is about the same. So I assume they might go back down to test a 200 MAs level, which is somewhere around 385. So if happen they come back down here, most likely they might continue sideways. Okay. So YTL power, 一条龙 someone said. Okay, YTL power yesterday hit 350. Okay, for me it's some profit taking activities lah. Okay, so maybe they need to have some retracement. Okay, so if we base on here, I agak see the support, okay, would be somewhere around 3 ringgit to 313. Okay, so even they retrace down to this level, I think overall momentum should be still okay. Okay, but if they break below, maybe a bit potong steam. But so far it's still okay. For me, it's a place to take profit lah, okay, or to protect some. Okay, if you are holding for longer term, yeah, you no need to care lah. We're still okay, still in a big uptrend. Okay, if you base on the technical, today is a bit overbought because the price is quite far from the 20 MA. Okay, SSF. Okay, so far so good. You can see Monday, they do pump out with volumes. Tuesday neutral, today another pump, and they hit 305 already. Okay, EP285, and yeah, I'm not sure why I put 305, should be using the Fibonacci lah. 298. Okay, not sure why it should be here. I pun lupa lah why I put 305, but never mind lah. Okay, if we base on here, do a projection 290330. Okay. So this counter, so long the price above 280, I think it's still pretty strong. Okay, next level, maybe we can see under 330 lah. Okay, so long the price is above 280. Okay, so USMA R1 R2 cover already, USMA. Okay, if you're looking for R1 R2, 895. Okay, due to here, This is a 2021 March resistance. Okay, 895, 1 ringgit. Okay, but for them, in order to go to 1 ringgit, they need times. Okay, maybe in between they will have swing up, swing down, swing up, swing down. Okay, MUI. I'm not sure whether it's Mui prop or not. Yeah, I think it's not this one. Mui industry. Okay, should be this one. 0.06. Okay, so far this counter is still in a sideway, as you can see from last year, April, sideway until today. So recently, this counter curi at a high volume pump in. Oh, the whole January got volume. So I think, yeah, I think for penny point of view, these counters still have some chances lah. Okay, take note on the resistance 0.08, and this is a high risk counters. So high risk, high return. Okay, for Remzo, just as just now explained, I think they might retest a support. So long they are above the 200 MAs, should be okay. Okay, 200 MAs is somewhere around, probably I will put 370 lah. Okay, so long they are above 370, they are still okay. And 200 MA is somewhere around 385. Okay, capital A cover ready. We go for the Axiata. Okay, Axiata also at resistance, okay, 200 MAs, and they come back to retest support 248, 250. Okay, take note on 248, 250. Stay above is still okay. Go below, not so okay. Okay, Axiata DNO. Possible rebound due to a hammer form. Okay, even though what I expect is somewhere around 320, but based on what I can see here, yesterday high volumes, today another high volumes, right? And today they form a hammer. Okay, so probably they might bounce up to test 350. Okay, so take note if they can go through 350 or not. If DNO they are able to close above 350, should be okay. Okay, but if they hit and rejected down, then also good lah. Okay, you may see them at 320 already. Okay, because here got a strong rejection before, so I want to make sure they can close above 350 for the confirmation. Okay, Jintik Jintik. I think it's Jintech lah, or no Jintik discounters. Gintech is still weak. They already break below 225 lah. Okay, in my opinion, is not so strong. Okay, the only thing can convince me to KIV is recently they do form some volumes at here. Okay, so probably, okay, take note on the support here, 219 and 225. Okay, they've been just sideways here with high volume. So yeah, potentially have some accumulation here. Okay, so long the closing price is above 219, is still okay. But if they break below, no good. They might go back down even lower, maybe to 210 or even lower. Okay, YTL power. Oh, this one I paling takut to analyze because they keep going up. Okay, for me, YTL already hit resistance 232. Okay, it's time for them to have some retracement. Okay, so based on what I can see here, maybe we use a high to here, 618. I wonder 618 lower one can 215 can yeah, can 215 to 209. Okay, so if happen they retrace back to 209, 210 or 215, you only KIV lah. So what I expect is market already overbought, so they need to have some correction. Okay, but overall they are still in uptrending lah. Okay, review HSSEB. Looking for EP S1 S2 R1 R2. Okay, I cannot say EP where is it lah, but support 1 ringgit 940, and these counters cannot break below 940 below 940 memang no good already. And for the resistance, okay, today closing price 106 and the immediate resistance is 107. Okay, 107, 115 is your R1, R2. Okay, let's see. Affin Bank 181. Wow, good Today got Monday got a good spike up. So let me see. Are they doing the all-time high? Not yet. Okay, all-time high is about 2013. Is so so it's about 10 years ago resistant. So we put here 265, 250. Okay, so okay, Affin all-time high, which happened 10 years ago. Okay, 2013. They are within 250 to 265. So today they are approaching there. Okay, so far I see they are quite bullish lah. But you take note on this level, 250, 265 is the resistance. Panda already got discounters already. Oh, no wonder I don't know lah. So new. Okay, first day IPO already open close low lah. Okay. So this counters is too new for me lah. Okay, what I think is they might sideways for a couple of months first to ensure okay whoever bought here okay they give out okay they cut off first okay then so they will sideways as long as possible until they feel the timing ngam now they only pump out. So I think these counters most likely will continue sideways to low until we see some volumes. If you zoom in you can see not much volumes. Okay, looking EP for TAS. Too high low, susah low ini. Okay, go up a lot already. Let me see. The chart is quite ugly lah. I mean, it's quite analyzed based on the chart because quite volatile lah. Okay, for me, TAS I would more prefer if they can revisit somewhere around 525 to 50 cents. Okay, if they can revisit lah. Okay, otherwise, let me see where's your next resistance. This is the chart 2016. Resistance is about 595. And also the gap, maybe I will put 695. Sorry, here. Maybe I put here 675. Okay, so let me scroll back. Wow, so many years. Hold on, let me see here. Okay, if happen they can retest about 525 50 cents you can KIV lah. Okay, so FM for ideal EP FM 595 KIV. Okay, they already hit 635 which was a 22 March resistance. So for me, support would be somewhere around 60 cents lah, or we can put 595. Okay, LC. Yesterday spike up. I also shared on my YouTube. So for me, ideal level, okay, your EP is about 120 lah. For me, is still good. Okay, so long the closing price is still stay above 145, should be okay. And the next resistance, what I seeing is a gap. Okay, 157. Okay, so yeah, take note on the next resistance. Okay, Samiden looking for okay, Samiden and Wellcore covered ready. And yeah, if looking for EP, let me see. Yeah, somewhere around 114, 111 can see lah. Wellcore is still okay. If happen, they can retrace down few bit lower, I think acceptable. So long the price don't close below 160, I think okay lah for this Wellcore. How about Care Plus? Care Plus pump up tapi they hit 50 cents already So today macam break below 20 MA. So probably for Care Plus I put 40 cents for them lah. Or put lower 390. Okay. For Care Plus, so long the closing price above 390, probably they still will have some chance. But if they close below 390, not so strong no. They might go back down to 330-ish. Okay, 330 plus minus. Yeah, about Cellcon. Okay, Cellcon previously they do pump out with high volumes. Okay, at the moment, their last defense, I would put somewhere around 285. Okay, if close below 285, not so nice lah. Okay, recently they do have some retracement, but the volume is low. So for me, it's still all right. But this counter is also good at washing down lah. Okay, I just put my last defense at 285. If close below, yeah, have to admit the loss lah. Then maybe we wait again around 250 or 240 level. Okay, if you want to put your stop loss below 50 MA also can. Okay, depends on your risk tolerance. 50 MA below is about 275. Okay, sense of cover already, my tech cover already. So HM, wow, still sideways lah, huh? HM pending for the breakout above 140. Okay, EFOS EP, oh, so sorry, this one's, sorry, this one we go to the India already. Okay, SL Force, for me, my ideal EP is somewhere around 410, but they didn't come back down to fetch me lah. Okay, today another pump up. Okay, but this counter is quite interesting. You guys can KIV lah. Okay, they do have a gap here, so probably I put around here. Hopefully got chance lah. Okay, if happen there are chance to retrace down to somewhere around 435 or maybe 440 level, you can KIV this level. And the next resistance tenor on is 475. Okay, MyTech cover already, SSF cover already, Lifong cover already. We cover ceiling lah. Okay, ceiling yet to cover. Okay, ceiling looks okay. 4th of January pump out with volumes. So far, 205 is supported. Okay, this counter, so long they are above 190, I think I'm still okay with them. And tenor on the next resistance, 240. Yeah, worth to KIV also lah, this one. Okay, ACO, long time no see. Okay, recently got some spike up, some volumes. So hopefully they can stay above 230. Momentum ada. Okay, this counter support 1230, support 2220. Okay, below 220, confirm not nice already lah. Then short term, hopefully they can stay above 230. Then resistance 260, 275, 285 for the ACO. How about day 3? Day 3 tak nothing much more to nothing much I think they sudah holiday okay, seems like they are more into sideways now. Okay, so they might revisit 345 330 level. Okay, shift Taylor shift, let me see shift. Okay, shift is still okay, but they are at the resistance. As you can see, this is the November resistance 615. So they tested twice already, unable to break through 615. So take note on this level. Until they can break through 615, you only can see 670 lah for the shift. How about the E-Win? Okay, E-Win is still okay. You can see they are still in the uptrending mode, and today also got another push with volumes. Okay, so long they are above 30 cents, I think the momentum all should be okay lah. Maybe I put at 295. Stay above, I think it's still alright. Take note on the next resistance, 340 PAUS. PAOS. Okay, PAUS still in a sideway. Okay, still okay lah. The structure is still there. Okay, so long they're above 350, I'm still okay. Immediate support, 380. Pending for the breakthrough, 440. Okay, they need to break through 440, only will have more upside. But even go up, you can see they do have some antenna here lah. Okay, probably somewhere near 50 cents. Okay, maybe you can put 495, 490. Okay, 490 is an extreme level they can go. Okay, Microm. Okay, Microm today got spike out with volumes. So seems like still alright. 235 supported. Okay, if you're looking for potential support, I would say somewhere around 250. Okay, but your resistance is somewhere around 280 lah. Okay, since today got volumes, I think it's quite interesting. Okay, looking for power well. Okay, power well. Today got pump out volumes. Okay, looking for EP. 250, 245 is your immediate support. And the resistance to break is a 260. Okay, this counter is still in uptrending lah, so I think it's still all right. So long they stay above 235, I think okay. Okay, want to hear you say hood leh, cannot hood lah. Now market retracing. Okay, can see Tai Tai. Okay, I know you want see which Tai Tai lah, Yong Tai this Tai Tai a bit disappointing but it's still okay. They are still within the range. Okay, pump out on 27th of December, another pump on 3rd of January, but so far they are just like wandering around 30 cents level. Okay, so long this Tai Tai didn't close below 280 should be okay. Okay, just that they want go sideways saja lah. Okay, then if they can spike out, you wash out on 360. Okay, today FB review over 50%. See who this left you 1% live after all. Okay, well, yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you everyone for your support as well. Okay, so if possible, please help me to click like and also share these videos. Okay, we need more viewers to join in our live session. Okay, so comment on Tenaga S1S2 R1 R2. Monopoly business. Okay, wah, Tenaga sudah, yeah, ever since they stay above 10 ringgit, sudah spike out on 4th of January. At the moment, they are hit, okay, or I can say they hit one of our target, 10.15. Okay, so support I would put back on 10.20, resistance 10.50. Okay, if immediate support 10.40 lah. Okay, but so far so good lah. This one performance quite good. Maybe okay lah, support here lah. Okay, 10.30 is the immediate support. Okay, at the moment they are a bit struggle at the 10.50 lah. So I think probably they might just go sideways like that. And if happen they can go up, maybe it's 11. Okay, if you look back on how Tenaga behave, okay, they can sideways here for many months. Okay, until something happen, then they push up a bit, then they sideways again. Okay, so if we zoom out these counters in long run, they are still in the uptrending lah. Okay, since when? 2022 November. Okay, ever since they break above 200 MAs, they are already in the uptrend. So if we zoom out, we can see the next hard resistance near 11 ringgit. Okay, which is a 2019 resistance. Okay, if can break through, then next level is 1180 already. This one is back in 2018 level. Okay, next one is a EMCC cover already. We go for the JT group Jati tinggi. New counters leh. Tapi okay, this one they washed down few days already pump out. So far with the volumes, I think it's still acceptable. But take note on the antenna on 20th of December, which is at 340. Okay, take note this resistant. Okay, so far, okay, this is a new counters like only less than a month. So the only data I can read is just these few days. Okay, so limited data for me to analyze. So what I can see is the immediate resistance is a 340. Okay, newcomer, maybe you can use Genting, Timecom, Maybank, Gamuda, P Metal, those blue chips for a paper trade. Yeah, also good idea. Like for me, when I started, okay, what I bought, I remember I bought DG and I bought mask. Okay, lucky thing I managed to take profit from the mask lah. Otherwise, jialat lah. Then I only bought the blue chips that I familiar lah, like maybe DG Genting Malaysia. Then I slowly explore to more counters lah, until to buy those funny counters lah. So we started with big counters first lor. Okay, at least the win and loss won't be too much. Okay, so how about Top Glove? I buy 91, not take profit on Monday, now still holding. Okay, we go Top Glove. Yeah, don't touch for the newcomers. Don't touch call Warren. Don't touch Warren. Okay. Uh, this one unable to clear. Okay, unable to break through 1 ringgit. I expect they might go back down to 920 or 940, but overall trend is still healthy. Is still okay. So long top glove they can stay above 880 should be still alright. Okay. So next one is a OVH. So OVH I think is still okay lah. Okay. Yesterday, today also got volumes. So supported 220. So if happen they can go up. Take note on the 270. These counters, yeah, not so familiar, but I think it's still alright. Okay, so long they are above 220, okay. Take note on previous resistance. Okay, if we zoom out, this is a strong resistance, 270. Okay, how about PTRB? Already take 50% profit. Still holding half. 565 is a level they need to break through. Since you already take profit at the 555 level, okay, so you need to make sure so long the closing price is above 50 cents should be okay. Okay, so we zoom out and we can see the next potential resistance, okay, which is somewhere around 625. Okay, only if they can break through here. Okay, if they can break through 565, okay, and stay above, probably you can see under here lah, 625. Okay, but if they keep tested unable to break through and they go down, then maybe you can consider to secure all lah. Okay, otherwise they might come back down like this. Okay, they might come back down like this, maybe lah. Okay, this is what I see lah. So yeah, now at the resistance, so you need to hope that they can break through. Once break through, maybe you can see somewhere around 60 cents and 625 to protect another partial. Okay, MNG. Okay, MNG is still okay. They are unable to break through 225, unable to break through 230, unfortunately. So I assume they might retest a 200 MAs, which is 20 cents. Okay, they are still in the uptrend. So for MNG, you take note on 190. Stay above should be still alright. And how about GU? Okay, GU is still below 200 MAs. Okay, for me, yeah, they do have a potential for forming a bottoming lah. Okay, take note on 40 cents. And don't go below 385 low. Okay, below 385 memang no good. And they do have an attempt to break through 450 before, but fail. Okay, so this will be your R1, R2, S1, S2. Okay, 430, 450, R1, R2, support 40 cents, 385. Okay, Emerald CV cover already, Pastek cover already. Okay, bro. Okay, girlfriend, girlfriend Malaysia cover already. Okay, GFM. I think today got a good spike. This one okay. So take note on 30 cents and 330. Okay, so you can scroll back. I do explain why we see 30 cents and 330 as our resistance. Okay, Rivian. Okay, I think don't have discounters or you tag someone. Okay, we go for the Scable. Okay, Scable, you can see they already spike up so much, right? So from about 0.06 until 600%, 600%. So they are already at here, macam struggle, go sideways. So be careful sikit lah, just in case they just pump out to sell. Okay, so take note on the immediate support is about, I will put at 340 lah. Okay, for me, I'm not so comfortable with them already, as here you can see. Whenever they try to hit 470, they come with high volumes. Okay, macam some profit taking activities lah. Okay, but not yet confirmed because the structure is still okay. Okay, just suspect lah. So I think they might just go sideways. If go below 345, memang not so good. Okay, this is the first signal already lah. If they go below 345. Okay, puppy bank pula. PBA. Okay, PBA is still okay. Spy out on 29 and 2nd of January. Okay, Rivian, RIVN, US stock. Okay, yeah, let me know more information. Okay, otherwise I really doubt out. Okay, PBA so far they spy out 2 days already. So far you can say they are forming potential flat or pennant pattern. Okay, so long they are above 168, the formation is still there. Okay, pending for the breakout above 180. Once they can break through, of course, they are more high to going. But otherwise, okay, they could be like this. Okay. Sorry. Macam ini you can see if history may repeat lah, okay, they might just spike out like this, then they sideways under the 20 MA meet them, then they only spike out again. So this time they also might pump out sideways, then the 20 MA come up here, they only spike again. Okay, this also possible. Okay, it's a best scenario lah, so that they will not so overbought. Okay, so this is still alright. So long they're above 168, the structure is still nice for the short term. Okay, so which one? Okay, as Dion, which one prefer as gap close 11 cents? Okay, hold on. Let me see the chart first. Hey, a bit rejection yesterday. Which one is prefer as gap close 11 cents or 12.5 cent the week? Okay, refer to 1 hour chart. Okay, these counters, okay, let me see here. They do have a good pump on 4th of January, but rejection on 9th of January. Okay, so let me see your 1 hour chart. I only can understand. Got gap, meh? Still okay. But okay, if we see 1 hour here is a Tuesday 10:30, they have a high volumes here. So I suspect these counters have some profit taking activities around here. Okay, but we still cannot judge them lah. Okay, a confirmation needed if they break. Okay, if they break below 120, maybe not so nice. Okay, what I can see is a potential flat or pennant pattern lah. Okay, if break below 120, I think not so nice. They may go back to 10 cents or even lower. But yeah, maybe Tuesday they attempt to break out lah, but fail, kena press down. So maybe they will sideways longer. 10 or 120 lah. Okay, stay above, I think is still okay. Okay, JF Tech. Oh, 10 p.m. already. Sorry. Today also over time again. Okay, JF Tech so far is still sideways lah. Okay. Even though yesterday they have attempt to break above 960, but once they hit 50 MA, gonna press down. So I assume JF Tech most likely will continue sideways. Probably my retest 940 or 920. And 10 on discounters, okay, 92 cents. Okay, cannot break down. Okay, break down 92 cents. Most likely not nice already. Okay, Skyworld. Okay, Skyworld is still Skyworld is still okay. Pump out on 4th of January. Then these few days low volumes lah. So for me it's still okay. Still in my watch list this one. So yeah, that's somewhere's my plan. Okay, my plan is if go to 545, no, not nice. Not no game ready. If go to 545. Okay, stay above, I think it's still alright. LBS EP level. Yesterday high volume rejection. So these counters, if can 60 cents. Okay, we wait somewhere around 60 cents for the LBS. How about Maybank? Beta cover already, I think. Okay. Oh, Maybank today also got some rejection. Yeah, makes sense. They want to follow the KLCI also. Okay, long-term point of view, they are still in a uptrending. Okay, just a short-term waving lah. Okay, some short-term wave lah, swing lah. So the next support I would say somewhere around 890. Okay, for the Maybank. Okay, beta cover ready and straights. Okay, straights recently got spiked out with volumes. Interesting. Okay, today retest 130. Okay, take note of 130. So long they stay above 130, should have some chance. Okay, so previously they also test 155 back in last year. Okay, April. So this one with volumes, momentum, all okay. So I think should be okay. So long they are above 120, I think this one is quite interesting. But this is a penny counters. Okay, Eco West cover already or not? I can't remember already. Too many. Okay, Eco West yesterday, Monday got some profit taking. Yesterday pressed down. Today neutral, but for me it's still not so strong. Okay, for me I more prefer if they can come back down to around 520. Okay, if we use a Fibo to agak the range, okay, actually already achieved. Yeah, actually they already at this level. But overall, I based on the candle, I see not so strong. I prefer if they can come back down to 520 level lah. Okay, MCE Men. Okay, still uptrending. Okay, overbought. Okay, very bullish. Okay, still okay lah, discounters. So maybe we can use the support to take note 460. Okay, so long they are above 460, short term still should be okay. Okay, suddenly oil counter have hype, even Brent and crude not much rise, rebound on down market or legit uptrending. Okay, for me oil is more on uh satu, how to say team play lah. Okay, maybe market see the oil price is at the bottom already. They do have a potential rebound. Okay, and I also seeing that oil may have some chance to rebound. So they already play so many sector like they go to glove counters, they go to property counters, I mean the smart money lah. Okay, they just sector by sector go. Then they see, oil is at the bottom, overbought already. So maybe oil price also got the potential to rebound. So maybe this is a chance that they go into the oil price, oil counters for some goreng lah. For me, it's just a hype. Okay, for me, it's just a hype. Okay, so short term trade, okay, but you don't fall in love with them. Okay, EMCC cover ready. KM Long. KM Long, Kim Long. Kim Long is still uptrending, still good lah, huh? Still strong. Okay, so long they are above 208, I think overall is good. Okay, last few lah, huh? Rivian Automotive is a US counter, RIVN. Hold on, let me see. Tak berapa boleh ya. Okay, so these counters, let me see on, okay, consider quite new, these counters. 2021, spike and wash down. Macam tak berapa boleh. Okay, the only thing is they do have a potential turnaround from July. Okay, last year July, when they first break above 200 MAs. Okay, even though they struggle a bit, but recently they also recover back above 200 MAs. So if fight for the potential turnaround, I think yes. So maybe you can put the 200 MAs, okay? 18.6, okay? 18.6 is a 200 MAs. And yeah, better don't go until 15.8 lah, okay? Go until 15.7 like that, not nice already. So take note lah, okay? Maybe they will struggle or wandering around 18.6 until 18 ringgit, 18 dollars. Okay, stay above, I think still watchable. If they are able to bounce up, maybe they will come back down, come back to fill the gap, probably somewhere around $23. Okay, so overall structure, I see maybe they have the chance to do a turnaround. Okay, Gamuda. Okay, Gamuda, some profit taking. Okay, if looking for the support, I would say somewhere around 477. Okay, oil not look like Tao Ming Po. Okay, actually, oil for me is very manipulative commodities. Okay, so yeah, so usually they will play around with the oil price lah. Like when the oil price at the support, they will cut the supply. When the oil at the resistance, they will increase the supply. Or when the oil price at the support, okay, or very bearish, or suddenly will have some war. Okay, so for me it's quite manipulative lah. So for me trading okay, but very susah to but sometimes okay the war or something okay the big crisis happen over the weekend, we don't have the chance to cut loss. Okay, so yeah, just short term trade I think okay lah. Okay, so it's quite manipulate on this oil. So if you see the chart, okay, weekly point of view okay, I do mention before this is a weekly chart for the WTI. Sorry, so yeah, previously, okay, this is last year. They also supported at the 200 MAs. Okay, this is last year lah, 2013. So now they are at here again. So what I guess is maybe they will have some bounce up. Okay, go until where we don't know, but I see this is a potential bottom for the oil price. Probably this go up may help on the OG counters, but you know the game lah. Okay, they won't last so long, one maybe 1 or 2 weeks only. Okay, so see money, take money. Okay, is the best. Okay, solar vest okay, I've been covered already lah. I've been covered already. So sorry, wrong chart. Solar vest at the resistance, nearby resistance 142 already. But if looking for potential support, I would prefer wait at the 130 low. Okay. So YTL cover, WCHB cover already. Later you can scroll back lah. Otherwise we overrun a bit too much already. Okay, so OSK and the Ganaga. Okay, last one last two already Okay, OSK pull up a lot already. So actually they are at the resistance. Okay, if not mistaken, last time I used a Fibonacci to draw the level 142. So if we base on the chart here, I expect they might test a support somewhere around 137. Okay, for me is they're already up so much already, may have some retracement, might test 137 or 131 level. Okay, so if you are interested, probably you can wait somewhere around 137 or 131. I paling takut advise this kind of counter. I mean, when they go up too much, really difficult for me to find an entry. Okay, they still bullish, but safe entry is quite difficult to find. Okay, for me, if draw like this, okay, wait somewhere around 1 ringgit. Okay, wait for them retrace or stabilize. Okay, I prefer to see the chart they rally already, they come back down to test support. From here, I only can find a good entry. Okay, otherwise for this, they already go up. I don't know where they want to test the support yet lah. Okay, so maybe we can estimate, maybe we can review, okay, KIV when the price at maybe 1 ringgit or 985. Okay, so I hope this help. Okay, at the moment I estimate this two level you can KIV first. Probably next week we can review again. Okay, so when the price come back to visit the support lah. Okay, if they continue go up, then let them lah. Okay, so thank you, thank you everyone for your time to join our live session until now. Okay, 10:14 already. So thank you everyone and thanks Sifu for having me here. So if you yet to download Sifu apps, okay, they are currently have the interactive live chat. Okay, they are available at the iOS and the Google Play Store. So please go and download now. And if you yet to join my Telegram, okay, screenshot it now. Okay, later you can join and yeah, maybe sometimes we can blow water there, okay, chit chat over there. Okay, so thank you everyone and see you on next Monday. And thank you, Sifu. Okay, thank you everyone.